In today's Minkus Margot tutorial, I will be making a key fob and also demonstrating how to set a double cap rivet with the hand press machine. We would like to show you how quick and easy it is to set rivets. Now, with any double cap rivet, any type of rivet snap, you have to create your holes first. I have some faux leather here that I will need 3 holes to make the key fob. In this machine right here, I have my 3mm cutting tool die, which is an ideal size for most rivets and also snaps. So just a little tip, I always take an old rag and I place it on top of the bottom die when making my holes. Now, with the cutting tool dies, we have sizes 3mm up to 14, but as I had previously said, 3mm is the ideal size I'm using today. So I'm just going to make my holes. And you can go ahead and use a marker to grid out your work. I'm just eyeing it. Whatever you prefer. And there you have it. Now, this is actually pretty thick faux leather, and the die very easily cut right through. So I know the importance of creating your holes and how difficult they can be with leather and faux leather like materials. So now I'm going to be setting the rivets. We have many different size double cap rivets, and from 6mm all the way up to 12mm, and that's the cap diameter. Now, when choosing the proper diameter of your cap for the double cap rivets, it really is depending on the width of your material you're using. So mine is 3/4 inch, and I've decided on the 10mm cap. Another important factor is the length of the post. Now, for the 10mm, we have standard, long, and extra long. Standard being 6mm length, long being 8mm length, and extra long being 10mm length. I'm not sure yet what size is ideal for this project, so I'm going to have to decide that once I put my hardware on. I have the 41mm hooks, and I'm just going to slide that in on one side and then fold it over. I have my key fob, my key ring, and that goes on the other end, and then I'm just folding them in. And here is where I would decide what length post. I believe standard 6mm and the long 8mm would be too long, but I'm going to try the extra long and sliding that through the holes that I made. And as you can see here, you do want the post to go all the way and placing your cap on top. Then you place your project into the press, make sure it's aligned, press down on the handle firmly, but you don't have to use excessive force. And there you have it, a perfectly set rivet, nice and tight, and most important, very, very secure. You can find all of the hardware used today, as well as the machine and dies, at minkusmargot.com. Thank you for watching.